Abdurrahman Sahib's question is based on verse number 20 from chapter 14 Surah Ibrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alam tara anna Allaha khalaqa as-samawati wal arda bil haqqi in yasha yuzhibkum wa yati bi khalqin jadid wa ma zalika 'ala Allahi bi aziz. The translation of this verse is, do you not see that Allah created the heavens and the earth with truth? If He so pleases, He can do away with you and bring a new creation, and that is not at all hard for Allah.
My question is about وَيَأْتِي بِخَلْقٍ جَدِيدٍ. Could you kindly explain the message in this statement?
What is the message in this part, وَيَأْتِي بِخَلْقٍ جَدِيدٍ?
The message is that mankind should not take it for granted that it will continue to live on earth. Entire mankind can be wiped out if they continue to rebel against Allah and the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Then a new creation about which we don't know what sort of creation that could be would take over, and they would be better behaved people. What sort of animals they would be? Of course they would be animals, but they would be superior than the human race.
Okay.